Hey guys, I'm back again. Oh god, what was going on with my voice then? So I bought this sample kit from the nail team to try out. It's I think it's like a new acrylic brand. I'm not 100% sure, but I bought it anyway because it was cheap and cheerful to try out, so I thought I'd try it in this video. So I'm using it. You get 6 powders, 2 little bottles of acrylic and a bottle of their primer. So in this I'm using their white, their cover peach and their clear. I've also used their primer and their acrylic liquid. I think this is one of them systems where you've got to sort of figure it out. I'm used to working quite wet with my acrylic beads and things. This is very, very in the middle. Like, you can't work too wet with it because it just goes really, really thin. And, you know, you sort of waste a lot of product there, and a lot of it just ends up being wiped onto the tissue. And then you can't work very, very dry with it because it sets really quickly. You'll see, like, because this pinky finger is going to be an ombre, so I used the cover peach, and I picked up a bead that was a bit too dry, and yeah, you'll see it just was not fading the way I wanted it to. But luckily this pinky nail does have like a bit of glitter in that, so that sort of takes away from the not flawless ombre, shall we say. Oh god, I've got such a tickly throat, it's driving me up the wall. So yeah, this nail is going to be like an ombre, but instead of the cover peach it'll be the glitter that I'm using. The glitter that I'm using in this is Glitterstella's Eye Candy, which I'm pretty sure they don't have a website. I know they sell their glitters on eBay and Facebook, but they've got an Instagram as well, so what I'll do is I'll tag their Instagram below, and I imagine from there they'll have like their Facebook group or whatnot. So as always, I'm using Glitterplanet's pre-pinched square tips, filed into the coffin shape, and Glitterplanet / Nailmate size 10 magic stick. I'm so excited because, I mean, today is Thursday, the 14th of June. They're releasing their new brush tomorrow, Friday the 15th. It's so gorgeous. I literally need it so bad. Also, the cut on my client's finger obviously isn't from nails. It's a burn. So just to let you know before anyone starts saying, why is her finger cut? Do you know what? I was watching one of my videos the other day, and I literally hate my accent. I can't stand it. I sound so boring. So if you manage to make it through all the videos, like, I literally praise you, because I hate my own voice. I hate my accent. It is so boring. I wish I had an accent. Like, I love watching Tracy Lou's videos because she's from Essex, and I love just listening to her accent. She's hilarious. I also love listening to Lorna / the Ninja Fairy, because her accent is just amazing. Her Snapchats are hilarious, actually. I love listening to like nail techs that have got accents. Like, I find it easier to watch. Also, like Victoria from Nail Perfection, I love her accent. I was watching one of her videos yesterday and she's so funny. She's funny. The nice people want to see. That's probably a really crap impression. I'm so sorry. I do sit and do accents every now and again. I'm always sat with my son, and I'm like, come on baby, come on baby. Or I try and go Scottish or Irish. It doesn't work though. But so yeah. Anyway, this nail is just a full cover, a full white nail. It's gonna have some crystals on. Yeah, this acrylic is quite hard. It's not hard to work with. I think it is just one that's you've got to get used to. You've got to figure it out, or it's really in between. I don't know. I think as well, because I did a poll on my Instagram, I think this weekend I'm gonna film, because I did a few different categories. Did like lifestyle, nails obviously, makeup, products. You know, I did a few different bits and bobs. So this weekend I think I'm gonna film one of the lifestyle ones was journey since school. So I left school at I left school at 15 and I'm 23 now. So I think this weekend I'll film that, depending on how busy my household is with my 2 children, because it's a bit mad. Oh god. So yeah, it skipped a bit there because I literally had to sort my son out. So as you can see with the peach, like you can see quite harsh line, and that's just because it just was not budging. Like I was trying and trying. So if any nail techs watch this and have got any tips on what to do when your ombre just sets almost straight away, please let me know. But yeah, like I said, this one has like a little bit of glitter on, so it sort of masks it in a way. I love this glitter, it's so pretty. It's got like different, obviously it's got different colours in, but it's got a really nice blue tone to it. So when applying glitter, I get, you know, some monomer on my brush, and I'll just wet the area where the glitter's gonna go. I always find it applies better. So with glitter, I just do what everyone else does. Pick up a bead of clear, dip it in the glitter, apply. And you'll probably notice from other videos and that, I don't drill with an electric file. So nearly all of my clients have just new sets every time. I have about 4 that have like regular soaks and new sets. So I don't tend to do the clear base as some of the techs do, so that when they come for an infill they can just file the previous design off and, you know, do a redesign or whatnot. I don't do that because I haven't got an electric drill. So I mean, this year I'm hoping to do some training to be able to use a drill, because with soak offs and stuff it would be so much easier. And like the others, see, you can see how it's just like not budging. Yeah, like the others, I'd be able to do the whole clear base and redesigns and stuff. But yeah, back to this. This was really annoying me. I was sat there, and any nail tech will know when you were trying to do an ombre or something and it's not going right, you sort of can't let your client know that it's just not going the way you want it to. So you have to be dead chill and just try and blend it out the best you can and get it, you know, so that it's just not like a harsh line. So yeah, that was a bit of a pain in the arse. So this finger is just thumb is just a full nail of that glitter, the eye candy glitter. This system is so different to using like NSI, because that's what I use. Sometimes I dabble in a bit of CJP, but it's the colours I've got of CJPs, and sometimes I dabble with CJP. Otherwise it is normally NSI that I use, just because I trained with it really, and I've always sort of come back to it. I do like CJP. I think it applies so nicely, but I've just sort of slowly got to transition over to using their full range, which isn't as easy as it sounds. So yeah, this is just going to be a full glitter nail, and we had some crystals on that, but I didn't film it, the crystal bit. Completely forgot. When you sit and do nails, you literally are just so engrossed in doing them, you totally forget about everything else. So yes, just finishing this nail off, and then I will go back and cap them all, file and buff, apply the cuticles and the top coat, and this is the finished set. The crystals are from Glitterplanet. Hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you click the little bell, you'll get a notification every time I upload. Thanks for watching. Bye.